To view the Journal Voucher Report, the user must first navigate to the Accounting menu. Then, click on the Report submenu and select the Journal Voucher option. This action will open the home page of the Journal Voucher Report section. A form will appear where the user can enter the search criteria for generating the report. The user should begin by selecting the business unit for which the Journal Voucher Report needs to be created, using the drop-down menu. Next, the user must enter the From date, which supports selecting previous months and years. Then, select the To date, as per the reporting requirement. Reports can also be filtered by entering a reference number or a special reference number of a specific journal voucher. To narrow the report down based on accounts, the user can enter the account name or account number. The system will fetch relevant data accordingly. Similarly, currency-based reports can be generated by selecting a currency from the drop-down list. Based on the selected currency, all available transactions will be fetched. Cost center-based reports can also be generated by entering the cost center details in the relevant field. Once all the required criteria are entered, the user should click on the search button located at the bottom of the form. The system will generate the Journal Voucher Report. By default, 10 entries will be displayed per page. Users can navigate to the next page or adjust the pagination setting to display more entries on the same page, depending on their preference. The generated report can be exported in PDF format or Excel. A column visibility option is also provided, allowing users to customize which columns are shown in the report. If the user wishes to change the search criteria, they can simply click on the Search Criteria option again to update their inputs.